And there we are. So, the bushcraft survival crossbow with Tod Cutler knives. Hi, it's Todd from Todd's Workshop and Tod Cutler here, and today I'm back with my bushcraft survival crossbow. This ugly beastie that I made in the last film I did about it. Now, very simply, the premise was, could I take my Tod Cutler knives, new on the market, Tod Cutler bushcraft knives, my hedge and my knowledge of crossbows, and turn it into a viable survival crossbow? Well, I did a whole film showing you exactly how to make it step by step, and I came up with this. It is a brute, but it's not about a pretty competition. Does it work? Well, at the end of the film, I showed you it working. It wasn't amazing, but I wasn't ever expecting it to be amazing, but it was good enough to take a bird out of a tree. But the biggest problem was that the wood was green. And what that means is that it's carrying all the weight of the water in here, and it's never going to be a great bow. So this is 2 weeks later now, just 2 weeks afterwards. I've left this in my workshop, I've strung it back up, I haven't even retillered it. And we're going to shoot it again and see what difference it makes. So we're going to shoot these bone-tipped bolts that I made for actually another film a while back. But then probably in the next film or a couple of films time, I'll come back and I'll show you how to make bolts for this thing. And then, you know, everything you need to know about a bushcraft survival crossbow will be complete. All made with Tod Cutler bushcraft knives. Let's go shoot this stuff. Down on the range now with our bushcraft survival crossbow. And it really is a simple proposition. Could I take the Tod Cutler knives, the Tod Cutler bushcraft knives, could I take them, my knowledge and the trees, and turn it into a viable bow? The answer was yes. So I'm going to explain two very simple aspects of this which are important to its operation and the ease of making it. So you have the bow, obviously you know that. But the first thing is the deck here. It's hollowed out deliberately. That means you just need a groove for the bolt front and back. Much easier than carving a long groove. That's really difficult. And then you pull your string back and you hook it in this notch here. Couldn't be easier, but then of course you need to get it out. So you have a trigger here that you push, that pops the string out. But the trigger itself, no drilling, no pins, no nothing. It is just seesawing on a twig and tied into place. That's it. Well, I think it's time to shoot this. So you just make sure the trigger is as forward as it can be. Thumbs on either side. And you just hook it over. And it's now lodged in. Pop your bolt on. And you hold it down with the butt of your thumb because there's no real way to hold this down otherwise. And then, up, straight over target. Well, accuracy needs a little of improvement, obviously. So we'll go again. Now you can see I've done, as I said, no tillering on the bow. And actually, it's okay. It's not great, and it would definitely be more powerful with a better bow. But this was made in a hurry from, you know, just a branch I selected here. Not the best branch that I could find in the wood. Hey, and that's in. So, you know, you can see it works. It's not a brilliantly, enormously powerful bow. It's never going to be because it's made too fast and too roughly. But it works. And it gives you the time, the breathing space to make a better bow. And that's what you'll be doing next time round. And there we are. So, the bushcraft survival crossbow with Tod Cutler knives. Anyway, thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed it because for me, this has just been a brilliant thing to do because I always wondered if I could. And apparently I can, and so could you. Thank you.